Welcome to your client portal. In this video, we'll look at how to edit your event budget. Let's start at the top. You can add the overall budget here. As you plan, you'll be able to track how that compares with your actual costs. Expenses are organized in groups. You can add new groups at the bottom by typing in the group name and hitting return. Add a new expense here. If you don't know the actual cost, you can save the expense with an estimate for now. To save, hit return or click the check mark icon. You can add actual costs later by clicking on the edit icon and making an update. You can use the budget to keep track of upcoming payments too. Add the payment name, amount, and due date. You can also add notes, vendor details, and payment types. Once you've made payment, just enter the paid date to mark the expense as paid. And you can attach contracts, invoices, and receipts too. The more you add, the better the budget gets. You can easily see your upcoming payments here and use the graphs to see where you're going over budget. And that's about it. Cheers.